Kung nag-struggle kang palakihin yung back mo, follow this one simple cue to make your rowing movements more efficient. So gagamitin natin example dito is etong chest supported T-bar row, but pwede naman kung wala ka nito, pwedeng barbell row, pwedeng dumbbell row, or any rowing movements. So gagawin mo, whenever executing the rep, as much as possible, try to roll your shoulders forward para ma-stretch talaga yung back mo. And then, when you pull, imagine mo, may iniipit ka na pencil in your back. This way, you can squeeze your shoulder blades together for maximum contraction sa mid to upper back mo. Pag hindi mo nagawa to, it's mainly probably sobrang bigat yung nilagay mong weight. Babaan mo yung weight hanggang sa ma-perfect mo yung form and then do progressive overload. Oh, I forgot. Follow for more tips.